10 techniques to build up values gradually in a painting. Values, the lightness or darkness of a color, are crucial in creating depth, contrast, and form in a painting. Instead of applying the darkest darks and brightest highlights immediately, building up values gradually allows for better control, smooth transitions, and a more refined final result. In this guide, we'll explore 10 effective techniques to develop values step by step in your artwork. 1. Start with a light sketch or underpainting. Before adding strong values, begin with a light pencil sketch or a monochromatic underpainting. This establishes your composition and basic value structure without overwhelming the canvas. 2. Work from light to dark. Begin with lighter midtones and slowly introduce darker shades. This method prevents overworking areas too soon and allows for smooth layering and blending. 3. Use transparent glazes to build depth. Apply thin, diluted layers of paint, glazes, over dry layers. This technique gradually deepens values without losing luminosity, making it ideal for skin tones, shadows, and atmospheric effects. 4. Layer with soft, gradual strokes. Instead of applying dark tones immediately, use soft, feathered strokes to build up values. This technique works well in portraits, clouds, and delicate textures. 5. Blend with dry brushing for smooth transitions. A dry brush technique, using a brush with very little paint, helps you create soft gradients and subtle value shifts without harsh edges. 6. Use cross-hatching and scumbling for texture. For gradual value buildup, use cross-hatching in pencil or scumbling in paint. These techniques allow you to layer values with precision and control, especially in drawings or detailed paintings. 7. Step back and evaluate often. Every few minutes, step away from your painting and observe it from a distance. This helps you see where values need more depth or softening. 8. Adjust with erasers or lifting techniques. In drawing, use a kneaded eraser to gently lift graphite for softer transitions. In painting, a damp cloth or brush can lift excess paint to refine values without overworking an area. 9. Work on the entire painting at once. Instead of finishing one section before moving to the next, develop values across the whole painting simultaneously. This ensures a balanced and cohesive value structure. 10. Gradually add highlights last. Keep your brightest highlights for the final stages of your painting. Adding them too early can make areas look too harsh or overexposed before the midtones and shadows are fully developed. By building up values gradually, you gain better control over contrast, depth, and realism in your artwork. These techniques will help you achieve smoother transitions, stronger compositions, and more refined details. Take your time, be patient, and watch your painting come to life. 10 benefits of painting in layers. Painting in layers is a technique used by both classical and modern artists to create depth, realism, and richness in their artwork. Instead of applying all colors and details at once, building up layers gradually allows for better control, blending, and refinement. Let's explore 10 key benefits of painting in layers and why this technique can elevate your art. 1. Creates depth and dimension. Layering allows you to build up values and tones gradually, making objects appear more three-dimensional and realistic. This technique is especially useful in portraits, landscapes, and still life paintings. 2. Enhances color vibrancy. Using multiple thin layers instead of a single thick one makes colors appear richer and more luminous. Glazing techniques can intensify color saturation without making the painting look flat. 3. Allows for better blending. When you work in layers, you can blend colors more smoothly and achieve soft transitions between tones, making your artwork look more refined and polished. 4. Provides more control over values. Building up layers gradually helps you control light and shadow more effectively, ensuring that your highlights, midtones, and shadows are well balanced. 5. Gives a more professional, polished finish. Layering eliminates harsh edges and uneven tones, resulting in a painting that looks more refined and expertly crafted. 6. Reduces muddy colors. Mixing wet colors directly on the canvas can sometimes lead to a muddy appearance. Layering allows each layer to dry before applying the next, keeping colors clean and vibrant. 7. Offers the ability to make adjustments. Instead of committing to final details too soon, layering gives you the flexibility to refine edges, correct mistakes, and adjust values over time. 8. Creates atmospheric effects. Techniques like glazing, scumbling, and transparent washes add subtlety and depth, perfect for creating atmospheric effects like mist, fog, and glowing light. 9. Increases painting durability. Thinner, well-dried layers are less prone to cracking over time, making layered paintings more stable and long-lasting, especially in oil and acrylic painting. 10. Encourages a more thoughtful and intentional process. Painting in layers encourages you to work patiently, build up details gradually, and refine your composition step by step. This method results in a more controlled and well-balanced final painting. Painting in layers is one of the best ways to enhance depth, improve blending, and refine your artwork. Whether you're working in acrylics, oils, or watercolors, mastering layering techniques will elevate your painting skills and give your artwork a professional finish. Experiment with layers and watch your paintings come to life. Stick around till the end of the video to learn the art and discover all the tips and techniques that will take your painting skills to the next level.